Hello everyone, this is me Saber and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube. So this video is all about introduction on what this channel is going to be about. So to give you a basic overview, this channel will focus more on the business intelligence side, the BI side, and the business analyst side, the BA side. So these are the core of data science. We'll try to explore more on the data science portion as well, but for now we're looking for these two main core. And in this video I'll talk to you about the tools we're learning to get our job done, right? So what is this channel about? So this channel is all about, as I told you already, it's all about BI and BA. So to get our requirements done, we're using two databases, SQL Server and Excel. So Excel is more like a analysis tool more than a database. So for the typical database, we're going to use Microsoft SQL Server, and for Excel is used to check the data, manipulate the data, and make any changes to the data. And so Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is also a Microsoft visualization tool. It is a business intelligence tool. So you can see on its name, it's Power and BI. So it's a top business intelligence tool, and which is used to show a very powerful visualization and analysis. So and Tableau is also a similar tool. Tableau and Power BI are the two leading tools in the BI tools department currently. So let's move on. So the first one we're discussing about is the SQL Server. So Microsoft SQL Server is a database. It is a typical database. So we'll learn about the SQL query, on how to insert, update TML, DDL, and all those queries, which I'll explain in the videos later. To talk more about SQL Server, so it is a very big database, so it can handle lots of data. So we're using SQL Server, and it is also a Microsoft product. So and Power BI is also a Microsoft product, so it will be easier for us to work with these two as they are from the same company. So Microsoft in Microsoft SQL Server will be learning more about the automation scripts, as well as the basic insert, update, and delete script, and all those queries we'll talk about in the upcoming videos. So Microsoft Excel, we all know about Excel. Excel is a very popular tool. So there is a small story to this. So I didn't know about the power of Excel at first, so I used to ignore Excel a lot. And recently when I was doing some analysis and I needed to get my work done very quickly, so then I started to learn more about Excel, and oh my god, Excel blew my mind. So Excel is the best data analysis tool. I think for me it's the best analysis tool, and we'll talk more about the formulas and the tricks and tips of the Excel, which will help you to get the insight very fast. And we'll talk more about this on this channel. So we'll covering more of Excel and SQL Server, and the next topic is the Microsoft Power BI itself. So Microsoft Power BI is a very powerful business intelligence tool. So I'll talk about the many Power BI hacks. As it is a tool, there are many limitations to it, but there are different ways to overcome those limitations as well. So I'll talk about those, and there is a special code or a query or a command used in Power BI. You can call any of them. So it's called DAX, and the DAX query is a very powerful query which can be used to manipulate and interpolate or modify your data, and it's very useful for big to show the data for big data. And so we'll talk more about Power BI as well. And so the next one is Tableau. Tableau is a very powerful BI tool. As I told before, Power BI, Microsoft Power BI and Tableau are the leading two BI tools in the market currently. And so Microsoft Power BI is free of cost on the desktop version, but they'll charge you a certain amount for the web version, whereas for Tableau, if you can get a student license, it's free, or else you'll have to pay a certain amount to get the desktop version. So Tableau also has formulas similar to Excel, so we'll talk more about the formulas of Tableau and Excel side by side in this channel. So yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. So Tableau is a very nice visualization tool, and Power BI is also a very powerful tool. So they both are similar to each other, but yeah, one can say that one is better and the other is not. So what my view is, yes, Power BI is great at something and Tableau is great at something, but to give my summary on these two, I think the both are very great visualization and analysis tool. So yeah, that's about it about the channel, what we're going to talk about. So keep in tune. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in this way, we'll grow together. And if I make any mistakes, or if there is anything you want to let me know, please drop your comment on the comment section. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, hope to see you in the next video, and thank you. Adios amigos.